Okay, folks, this is going to be funny. This is Marissa's first time microwave popcorn. She never had. All right, first you took the plastic off. Now open this up. One of the sides, it should say this side up. That says skinny girl something. Turn that one over. Shucks. This side up. And it says set timer 1 to 1.5 minutes on high. So put it 1.5 minutes, and this is gonna be fun if you've never done this before. Do 130. That should help. Put it in there first, and then close the door. This is gonna be funny.
130. Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. This is gonna be funny. Because you've never seen the popcorn.
Oh yeah, I know popcorn, but I don't do in that microwave.
Marissa so you've had popcorn before, but never a home microwave popcorn.
Yeah, because
So this is gonna be funny.
In the house naman, di ba?
I'm gonna tell you the secret. What? Listen.
I heard that.
The little corn kernels, they're popping right now.
Oh, I saw that.
See, it's getting bigger. Yeah. Can you hear it going?
Not unlike if you don't have microwave, kasi in Philippines you cook that on the pot.
Yeah. That's old school. Even when I was a little kid, Mom or Dad would put it in a pot with a cover. This one, the secret is, it'll say 1 minute or 1.5 minutes because every microwave is a little bit different.
Yeah.
So the secret is you have to listen until it stops popping.
I don't heard popping.
Maybe there's a couple more. Yeah. Couple more. I only heard a couple. I think it's good. Do the cancel and open it up. Now put it on here. It's going to be hot, 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 hot.
Okay.
Hot, hot, hot. Now the secret. Which side? This side.
That side.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Be careful because there's steam inside there, right? Very slowly, just go and pop those open. Just pop the hole open, but be careful because steam is going to come out. A little bit. Okay, stop. Now do the other two. Yeah, you can feel the steam. Oh, shucks. Do the other two just to make sure it's open. Now, very carefully pour it in this bowl. We barely got a bowl that's big enough.
Ooh.
I'm gonna take this.
And then.
Whoa! That's hot.
Yeah.
That's Himalayan salt, so it's really strong. So you only have to, because this one is unsalted and unbuttered. Shucks. Put a little bit of salt.
That's it, huh? So
Keep going, because of course popcorn won't salty. I think that's good. Take your first stir your salt. I think you're gonna want more butter, but we'll just do that butter for right now.
I put the butter now.
Pour as much butter. Stir that around. Because it's late. What is today? Wednesday or Thursday?
Monday.
No, it's not Monday.
Monday nga, di ba? Kasi it's my day off today and tomorrow.
No, I think you're crazy.
Look calendar.
It's Monday. Oh, it's Monday night. Jeez, see how I'm working too much. I'm gonna take this. Get that extra.
It's salty na.
Now taste one. Is it enough butter?
Yeah. That's good.
Yep. So that's Marissa's first. So we're watching a movie, and Marissa said, "Hey, Can we do a popcorn?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's got good salt and good butter. Get you a dinner napkin because you're gonna get. Look at that. You're gonna get so much butter on your fingers. All right, Miss Marissa. Okay, nieces and nephews. Wait, let me show everybody. Nieces and nephews. This is Tito Keith. Miss Marissa made her first microwave popcorn in the United States with butter and salt. So, masarap!